mix around. I'll tell you what I did. This is the steak I'm gonna be using. I think it's Mananessa. I don't know. I'm not good with pronunciation. I'm not. But it's some steak that I'm using right here. This is the one for the quesadillas I'm gonna be using. So this is how it looks when it's done. You see? It's all the bubbles out, y'all. So y'all, the steak is cut up real fine in little pieces. And I'm about to wash it and season it, y'all. So y'all, for the steak, I use adobo, chipotle, chili peppers, and cayenne pepper, and I'm gonna use 1 Goya pack. That's all, y'all. So y'all, I'm gonna put 1 stick of butter. I'm gonna let that melt down, and then I'm going to put my steak that's already seasoned, and put that in there when it melts. My butter completely melt. So y'all, the butter already melt. Don't use oil, use butter. I'm gonna put all this steak in here because it's snowing, and I don't know if the light's gonna go off or not. I hope they don't. I pray that they don't. But I'm gonna cook all of it. I'm gonna cook all the steak. So I pray that the lights don't go off. So now that the steak in there, I'm gonna stir this up. So y'all, the steak already cooked, and I'm about to take it up now, y'all. So now, y'all, as I finish with my steak, my grease is hot. Make sure you just pour all. I already washed my rice. I'm gonna pour all of my rice in here. And because I already washed my rice, I wash my rice still. You gotta let it dry. You wash it and let it dry. Now that my rice is golden brown, y'all, I'm gonna put some chicken bouillon, red kind. I'm gonna add some garlic powder, but I'm gonna mix it up first. Now I'm gonna add some. I'm gonna add some tomato sauce, chipotle pepper. I'm gonna add that to it. Because the last time I tried it, it was very good with the Mexican rice. So that's why I'm using that again. So this is my tortilla that I made up for my quesadillas. So here go my tortilla. I'm so exhausted, y'all. I'm so exhausted. Y'all see, I can't hardly talk. I can't hardly get the camera right this time. I hope y'all understand. Now we're gonna put another one down. Y'all, I can't make all of them on camera. I hope y'all can see real good the tortilla. I can't make them because it's gonna be too many. So I hope y'all understand. I put all of my manteca right now in a Ziploc bag, and because my bowl is occupied right now, so that's why I did that like that. I'm cooking this right here because my husband burnt my pan up. I don't know, he just cooked so high. But I just bought a griddle. I ain't cook on it yet. I'm not gonna cook on it until I let y'all guys see it. I'm not. I'm also gonna put some hot sauce, some red hot sauce. I'm sorry, y'all. This is my quesadilla.